সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা সবাই কেমন আছো? বিডিকেএম চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম। তোমরা যারা এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী 2022 সালে পরীক্ষা দিবা, তাদের জন্য দ্বিতীয় সপ্তাহের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট প্রকাশিত হয়েছে। তো তোমরা অলরেডি আমার থাম্বনেলে দেখে নিয়েছো অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের বিষয় কি। তো চলো আমরা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট একটু দেখে নেই। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট ফর এসএসসি ক্যান্ডিডেট 2022, সাবজেক্ট ইংলিশ, ফার্স্ট পেপার। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নাম্বার পেপার 1, অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নাম্বার 1, assignment. This assignment is based on unit 3 from EFT. আমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের শিরোনাম হচ্ছে জাস্টিফাই দ্য স্টেটমেন্ট ফেস্টিভ্যাল আর ফর এভরিওয়ান। এটা হচ্ছে কিন্তু অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের শিরোনাম। তো বন্ধুরা, এর আলোকে আমি একটি চমৎকার উত্তর তৈরি করে রেখেছি। তাহলে চলো আমরা আমাদের উত্তর বলতে চলে যাই। দ্য মোস্ট কমন ফেস্টিভ্যাল ইন বাংলাদেশ। আমাদের দেশে যে সাধারণত কমন ফেস্টিভ্যালগুলো হয় সেটা দেখো: ঈদুল ফিতর, ঈদুল আজহা, দুর্গা পূজা, বৌদ্ধ পূর্ণিমা, ক্রিসমাস, পহেলা বৈশাখ, পহেলা ফাল্গুন। নৌকাবাইজ, 21শে বইমেলা, মে ডে, ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে, বাংলাদেশি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে। মাই এক্সপিরিয়েন্স টু টেক পার্ট ইন সাম ইভেন্টস অ্যান্ড ফেস্টিভ্যাল ইন মাই লোকালিটি। About 5 or 6 years ago, I celebrated my Pohela Boishak in my village, as this is the first day of Bangla New Year. This is a public holiday. My whole village was in a festival mood. I saw the villager inspiration to start with renewed hope and inspiration on this day. I woke up early in the morning. After having a bath, I wear Punjabi and pajama. Hence, during the last year in my school premise, I took part in our Independence Day festival. Our school arranged a cultural program on this day. The whole program was so impressive and it was a great festival in my life. 3. Festival are for everyone. My justification for this statement is as follows. Festival act like street relievers and help us balance our emotion mood. Positivity naturally lower negativity. It also provide an opportunity to reduce back function and bring status friend and relatives together in a bond of love. Nothing bring people together as festival do. Play a pivotal role in nation building, bring people from every religious, economics and social background together. Festivals link with religion, social organization and political process were celebrated. Festival contribute immensely to feeling of social cohesion. Many such celebrations focus on cultural or ethics topics and seek to inform community members of their tradition. The involved community elder sharing story and experience, setting templates for maintaining unity among families. Festival also simulated economics activities since they provide improvement opportunity to people. Idul Fitr. This is the most joyful session of the Muslim across the country. Even the non-Muslim like to join the celebration of Eid with everyone. The holiday comes after the Ramzan, where the Muslim believer perform fasting for 30 days. We believe the Eid day is the blessing from Allah to enjoy the achievement after long 30 days of fasting. In the morning, all the mosque and fields fill with people to perform the Eid Salat. Prior to that, they take shower, get ready to wear new pajama Punjabi and apply perfume. After finishing Eid prayer, they embrace each other and finally leave the Idgah compound. Then everyone visit their families, neighbor and relative and has delicious food. People serve sweet dessert like kheer, payash and also heavy item like biryani korma throughout the day. Idul Adha. This is the another Eid for Muslim who is occurs about 2 months after the Idul Fitr. Likewise, people perform their Eid Salat in the morning. After running from Moscow, they take some light breakfast. This is the holy Eid where they sacrifice their favorite animal for Allah. The streets are crowded with mostly cow and goats. Then the meat is distributed in three portions. One is for women, another one is for relatives, and the rest of the path is distributed among poor people. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is an annual festival for Hindu believers. This association comes to at the Hindu month of Ashwin and lasts for 4 days. As you would expect, the event consists of family and social gathering. Gifting to each other, lighting and decorating house are very common. People worship their goddess Durga inside temple. They perform ancient religious singing and dancing and paste powder color on each other face to bring the celebration mood on. Eventually, the process ends with idol immersion is in the river. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is celebrated by Buddhist descent of the country to celebrate the birthday of the Gautam Buddha. They observe it annually according to the Gregorian calendar. On this day, they decorated the Buddhist temple. A fair is held outside of temple. Also, play some music contain Buddha messages. Finally, the believer attend the prayer, light candle, and recite the 3 jewelry and 5 receipt. Christmas. Christmas or Borodin in the Bengali is celebrated among the Christian community as the birth of Jesus Christ. It is an annual occasion observed on 25 December. On this day, Christian people decorated their house beautifully with light, flowers and ribbons. They made or bought Christmas tree from shops. Delicious food is cooked. In fact, a ground dinner is organized at night. Neighbor and relative come to visit. Pohela Boishak. One of the culture that Bengali people have been following with zeal for countries is Pohela Boishak. This is the first day of Bengali New Year and the most popular occasion in Bangladesh. Both men and women were dressed in red and white. Girls wear shari with colorful Bangla and boys wear Punjabi. They do various activities in many places throughout the day. At the fair, the shopkeeper present Bengali food like panta ilish, various pitha, candy flours, etc. in front of the visitors. Nagardula set for amusement. Pohela Falgun. Pohela Falgun is one of the most popular day in the Bengali culture. Generally, this day is on the 13th of February of the year. This is the first day of spring. People welcome this day wearing yellow and white. Some people buy flowers and present those to their loved ones. Bengali women set flower crown around their heads. They like to use a variety of flowers, but majority marigold as it has the color of spring. People play the most beautiful spring song বসন্ত এসে গেছে everywhere from the morning. তো বন্ধুরা এই ছিল আমার প্রশ্নের উত্তর। আমি আশা করি আমার উত্তরটি ফলো করলে তোমরা অবশ্যই ভালো মার্কস পাবা। তো বন্ধুরা তোমরা যদি কেউ আমার এই চ্যানেল নতুন হয়ে থাকো অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবা, শেয়ার করবা এবং লাইক দিবা। আর যদি অলরেডি আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে থাকো তাহলে তোমাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।